Riwruok jopuonje sekondar mar Kuppet koro dwaro mondo mi apisas mag okwach kich otim nonro mapiyo ewi lal kendo tho mar japuonj maduong' mar skund sekondar mar yawuoyi ma Munyuki PAG. Japuonjno moyangi nyinge kaka Simon Isayo nyoyud ringre mare kowiti aora ma Kipkaren nyoro. Kuppet osingo mar golo jopuonj duto madongo e centers mag penj mar KCSE ponono ni ok otim nonro makare kendo kawo okang' mager mar chik ne achije moyud gi ketho mar nego japuonjno.
Hawezi toka kwake asubuhi anaenda kwa shule na anapatikana ametupwa kwa mto, mwili unaozewa kwa mto. Hiyo ni kitu ambayo tumehuzunika sisi wote, na tunasema kama hakutakuwa na step ambayo report ambayo inatueleza ni nini haswa ilitendeka, sisi we shall be forced to disrupt exams in this region.
Teachers' lives matter. We are sure if this was someone else, if it was a big person in the government, if it was a politician, there would be arrests that have been made already. But because it is a teacher, this process is taking a very long time. We are not accepting that.
Hivi mwalimu mkuu amepatikana ameuawa na ametupwa kwa mtoni. We want to be told from the accident area, when the accident ended back to the river, what happened? Kama ni Savula yuko involved, lazima ashikwe. Kama ni mjumba yuko involved, lazima ashikwe. Kama ni lazima ashikwe. Tunakubaliana hapo? No one is above the law.